Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to decorate this ornament that I found at Walmart. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and create an opening on the ornament and then create a little scenery on the inside. Some of the supplies that I'm going to use today are this ornament, which I found at Walmart. I have some little bristle trees that I found at the Dollar Tree. And then I found this one at Dollar General, little red truck with the Christmas tree. This was $2. I may need some white paint to paint the inside of my ornament. I won't know until I cut that open, see what it looks like. I have some fine white glitter and need some glue, just regular white glue. And of course you need your paintbrush and paint tray. I will also be needing some snow. I've got some little white fluffy snow here. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I want to do is cut to open my ornament. What I need is a little guideline. See, I have a glass bowl here I think I'll use. I'm just going to put that on here. And let me see, kind of gauge that a little bit. Grab a pencil here. I'm just going to do a little outline here so I know where I need to cut. Okay, I'm going to go all the way around. Okay, I think that's good. I have my heating tool heated already here, so I'm going to go ahead and attempt to cut this open. Let's see how well I do. Be a little patient with me here. I'm just going to go around. I think what I need is a little bit more pressure. I think I'm being too gentle here. You can probably use an X-Acto knife too. Or a craft, one of those serrated craft knives. Oh, there you go. I think oh, there we go. I got it. Okay, so this is taking a moment to open up. This ornament is a little thicker than I thought it would be. So just, yeah, make sure you guys open your window. Creates some smoke here. Almost done. Whew. There we go. That's coming apart. Here we go. There we go. Whew. Okay, now that I've cut that open, I'm just going to go ahead and I need, let me use some nail file maybe to get rid of some of this. Well, it doesn't matter because I want to, I'm going to cover up the edge anyway, so let me just peel off any pieces that I want to fall off. I think it's pretty good. Okay. Okay, so the inside of my ornament is white, which is good. But what I want to go ahead and still paint it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my white acrylic paint and then just coat the entire surface, or actually the inside of the ornament. I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole inside white. Get that done. I got the entire side of the ornament painted white. Now what I want to do is add some glitter. Let me put some paper down to catch my glitter. I am using some ultra fine white glitter, and I'm just going to take a pinch of it and just sprinkle it that way. It's got that sparkly effect on the inside. It's going to look cute. Okay. I guess you can always let your paint dry and then add some glue, but I'm just adding glitter to my wet paint. Save that extra step. Let's see. So I just need the side and the top. I really don't need to do the bottom, because all that's going to get covered up. Okay. Alright. That's pretty good. Oh, you can see the glitter just a little bit there. I need to create a little space on the bottom, like a platform for my scenery. So what I got is, I got a piece of foam. You can use cardboard if you like, but I just got this foam. You know, I always have a little bit of foam laying around somewhere. I'm just gonna cut this down just a little bit. Whew, there we go. And I'm gonna, oh, maybe a little smaller. Okay, so I have my styrofoam cut out, and I'm just going to take some glue. Where's my white glue? Oh, sorry. I'm just going to put some glue on my foam. You can use low temp glue gun. You don't want to use hot glue on foam. It tends to just disintegrate. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there. That's going to be my base for my scenery. There we go. See that? Cute. Okay. Next, let me try. I may have to use a smaller truck, but I hope not. Let me see if my truck will fit in here. Okay, let me see if my truck will fit in here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? That's going to be adorable. The only problem I see is that it's supposed to light up. Oh, look at that. I guess I don't have to glue it down. Nobody says you should glue down your truck. Look at that. Oh, so cute. That's adorable. Okay. I'm not going to glue that down, but I will glue down my trees. So my trees are going to go, oh, that one's a little too tall. I'm going to change the angle of this camera, so give me a moment and then I will be right back. Okay, welcome to my new setup. Alright, I have some smaller trees here. I want to I pulled the base off my trees here, and I'm going to go ahead and tuck that in there. I'm just going to put it right in the foam, And then I want to make sure I have the platform for my truck. Oh, that's going to be so cute. Okay, that'll be great. All right, next I want to take this back out. And I'm going to go ahead and put my snow in. Okay, I'm going to put some glue in here. I'm just going to cover this whole foam I have in here. Get that covered so I can put my snow in there. Oh, got a piece of foam there. That'll be cute. It'll help with my scenery. There we go. Get that all covered. Well, you know what? Let me pull my tree back out. Okay. I want to make sure I get glue all the way in the back here between the ornament and the foam so I can make sure my snow sticks in the back. Okay, now to get some snow in here. I have this bag of snow that I bought after the holidays a couple of years ago. Snow keeps very well. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to bump the camera there. Okay, pat that down a little bit. Squish that snow down a little bit. I think that's good. Alright, let me get my trees back in here. Or my one tree. Get that. Tuck that back in the foam there. And then get my, put that in there. I'm gonna let that glue dry and let my snow settle just a little bit. Look at that, it's so cute. I think I'm going to spray some adhesive on here and then I'm going to put some glitter on there. All right, I have this I have this huge thing of a spray. I'm gonna spray my, oh my gosh, okay. Well, okay, that's fun. And get some glitter and throw some glitter on my snow. Make it, give it extra sparkle. There we go. Okay, and I have another tiny tree. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tiny tree. Cute. All right, where is my truck? I'm gonna turn on the light because it's just so cute. Tuck that back in there. Oh, so cute. All right, and then I have a deer. Let me put some glue on the feet here. I'll tuck the deer in here. Put him back there in the woods. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so cute? Just adorable. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and add some snow around the edges there. Okay, let me turn off that light for a little bit here. And I'm just going to take it out for a moment there. Okay. Okay, my next step is to add some snow along the edge here. I'll get some glue. Oh, okay. Yeah. I think I just need a thin layer all the way around will do. Get up and then take some of my snow and add. I may have to do this just a little section at a time. Oh, okay. It's a messy process. Look at this, but the outcome's going to be fantastic. Oh goodness, look at that. Let's go pat that down a little bit, and on to the next section. Put some glue there. Yeah. So I've added snow all the way around the edge. Isn't that cute? Okay. I want to put a little ribbon through the hook here. So I'm taking the plaid that I've been using all along, the red, white, and black plaid that I have found at Dollar General. And I'm going to tie that off right quick. That way I have something to hang my ornament with. Cute, right? Okay. And then I have my ribbon here. Cute little ribbon. What I want to do, I have my ribbon here, but I want to adjust my ribbon just a little bit. I'll make it the bow just a little bit smaller. Just a little bit. Wrap that back around. So it'll be about that size. And twist that back in. Okay, so I have the loop there at the top, right here. And I have an ornament hanger here. Let me switch out my platforms right quick. Take my ornament and put it on the hanger. Sorry. Get that on there. There we go. I'm going to tie, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tie the bow to the there we go. I'm going to tie it to the loop of the ornament. So, sorry. So it looks like this. Here's my bow. And then I'm going to turn the lights back on the truck. I'm going to tuck it back in here. There we have it. That's so cute. I like it. Here is my new ornament for 2020. Isn't that cute? There's the bow. And there. Get a closer look on the inside of the ornament there. Got the tree. Got the deer in the back there. Oh, you know what? Our truck needs a wreath. Hold on a moment there. Okay, I bought these tiny little ornaments from Hobby Lobby, I think it was. You just need a little bit of a heavy duty glue. Stick the wreath on there. Oh my goodness. I love this. Look cute. Hold on. Get this out of the way. Oh, look at that. That is adorable. Oh, lower that one to wreath it a little bit more. Oh, that is cute. Yep, very adorable. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create my ornament, and I hope that you guys go ahead and create yourself one. Look at that, so pretty. Alright, I thank you for watching Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Okay, very quickly, let me show what it would look like using the little Dollar Tree truck and trailer. I know, I'm addicted to Dollar Tree. Here's the little trailer. You guys remember that, right? So cute. And there's the little truck. Oh, that's adorable too. Look at that. Okay, here is what it would look like if you used a Dollar Tree truck and trailer. Isn't it cute? Look at that. You can switch out your red truck and trailer. And you guys notice my background, right? Isn't that adorable? I found that tissue paper at the Dollar Tree. Oh, that's so cute. I like it.